Okay, there we are. This is SPY on the daily time frame. And sure enough, again, we are in a downtrend channel. And even here, we are in a downtrend channel. This is what I've been saying for the last 2 days since I started this channel. And we can't get out of this chop box over here. I mean, just the price doesn't want to move. um, I'm really waiting to either go up or down unless I take a day trade. If you haven't seen my video how I made over $1,000 today in an hour, then go check that video. It's definitely helpful to understand my thought process when I take a trade. But anyway, what to expect in this market? Well, I really don't know because it's very tough to trade. um, the price literally is not going anywhere. And I was thinking yesterday, well, maybe this 5 days moving average crosses above, that's a positive sign. But then it got rejected today, so now everything is pointing down. Even the MACD is kind of weird because it's flat, and I said, well, this kind of looks like it's curling and wants to cross, but we have to wait for confirmation. That's what I said yesterday. And sure enough, today, boom, God starts to go down again. Now that doesn't mean that tomorrow can go up, and but probably not so much this week, and we're gonna wait for next week. We'll see tomorrow if the market presents with some good opportunities for a quick trade like I did today. But other than that, I'm not touching SPY. Even the RSI, I mean, is in nowhere territory. It's just stuck here, nowhere. Just flat, 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 not doing anything, just flat. So we gotta wait, guys. If you want to be a professional trader, making good money on a regular base, you don't have to take too much risk. And at this point, I don't see an opportunity here in SPY, unfortunately. Um, so we'll just sit and wait, and we'll check this back tomorrow. Let's go instead on Tesla. Let's see what happened in Tesla today. So Tesla today, he made this tiny doji candle over here. So a lot of uncertainty as well. It didn't take down this low at 104.64, so it's still trading over here. But Tesla, I don't know, it's not going anywhere either. It's just making this flat trade over here. It's just not doing anything, just going flat, which could be also seen as a positive sign, meaning, hey, maybe he's getting ready for a reversal. Let me remove this. um is it getting ready for a reversal? Well, I don't know. I mean, the price is right there, right? They are right on the 5 days moving average, right on the 20 days moving average. However, here is what I can see, to find something positive. It looks like, I really have to zoom in, right? It looks like that the if the 20 days moving average keeps going down, it will cross with the 5 days moving average. So the 5 days moving average will be above, and this is a positive sign. But it's really a stretch. Let's see here with the MACD. MACD is flat. It's flat as hell. I don't know. I mean, it's just totally flat. So time to wait here too. Even the RSI is flat. No good. I mean, it's not a good time to take bullish trade or bearish trade. However, I want to leave you with something positive. If we look at the same rule that I said, we are way far the bottom line of the linear regression channel 50. So I firmly believe that at some point we're going to go back up. Whatever the news will be, whatever reason will be, I don't care. But at some point, this thing will start to push higher, at least to touch the bottom line of the linear regression channel 50. So this is what I'm hoping, but I'm waiting for confirmation. I'm still lining to think that we could have made here a double bottom right here and right here, kind of like a W sort of trade. Now, not saying that this will go this high, don't get confused. So W trade like this, maybe touch the regression line, and then from here, time will tell, but probably we will have more south price action. I guess we'll see. But so far, we're stuck in this area where a lot of volume is, and we really need some positive news to go to the next level over here, probably 125. And then from here, maybe a gap up somehow. I don't know. Everything is still a stretch right now. I wouldn't take any move at the moment with Tesla. So that's it for now. I'm gonna keep it short tonight. I was watching, actually, let's do this. I was watching Moderna as well. So let's jump right into Moderna today. Moderna, what did it do? Well, even Moderna made almost a perfect doji candle here. The price closed below the 5 days moving average. So, and we are with a bearish crossing here, 20 days moving average below the 50 days moving average. Now, just remember, I'm using the double exponential moving average just because I like to see faster movements. And so far, even Moderna is not doing anything. We're stuck in here where, a lot of volume is over here. So there isn't really much to do here as well. I mean, it almost looks like a bearish setup. Actually, it is a bearish setup because the MACD is crossed to the bears and is bearish, and the RSI is going down. It's pointing down. Is going down. So we have several signs of bearishness. The RSI going down, the MACD going down, and 20 days below the 50 days and 5 days below the 20 days. So everything going down, right? And also, I want to zoom this in so I can show it to you better. Also, the volume, the peak of the volume on the daily chart is basically right here, 141. So, you know, this could easily go down. The only reason why I haven't pulled the trigger with a trade in Moderna is because when we go and take a look at the weekly time frame, well, on the weekly, we have still a positive MACD, and Moderna hasn't moved almost at all since March. It has been trading at this level over here. Let me do the chop box here. It has traded in this range and it hasn't done anything at all. So, like for SPY, we need to wait for Moderna to do something, to pick a direction, either up or either down. Now, I do think that a lot of hype due to COVID has faded away, and I do see some more down movements in Moderna than up. But I mean, nobody cares about what Sam thinks. What matters is the price, action, and the indicators, and we have to trade according to the indicators. So this is why I haven't taken, I haven't made a move in Moderna, because if you, I still have, if we look over here, this could easily be a retest of the 20 days moving average, and maybe we have some more upside potential. We don't know, right? And also here, the 20 days moving average crossed above the 50 days moving average, which makes me think, well, maybe it can go down for a month or so, and then boom, it goes back up, whatever the news will be, right? So I don't feel confident in taking any trade with Moderna at the moment. If I see, the MACD going down some more, maybe crossing to the bears, and also the RSI going down some more, eventually I will line up in thinking that probably we're going to touch this level over here, 150, and maybe this level. Well, 70 is going to be a long time trade. I don't think it's going to happen, overnight, or within a matter of, couple of weeks. But so, yeah, guys, I mean, there is so much uncertainty in the market, and I do feel the market is due for a bounce. Is that bounce going to affect Tesla? Sorry, Moderna? Well, who knows, right? Um, it's time to wait, in my opinion. But I'm gonna see what happens this week and the next, and then at that point, hopefully, I will make some move. Although Moderna had a really nice opportunity for day trade as well. In fact, as you can see here, I was tracking it today, and then I decided to go with Spy. I didn't want to have my head in too many things today, but as I did with Spy, I was looking at Moderna, and here around 11:30, I noticed that the price action was totally flat. I noticed that the 5 days moving average over here, it crossed to the bulls, it crossed the 20 days moving average, and also we were having this sort of base going up. We were far away from the bottom line of the regression channel, and so I said, well, this could be a nice opportunity to buy, somewhere over here where it made the cross, and see what happens. And in fact, it took let me delete this. It took, if you were entered the trade over here when the 5 days moving average crossed above the 20 days moving average, we would have had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so about 2 hours almost into a trade to make, well, fairly good amount, good profit. Because let's say you would have bought over here 173, you would have sold around here 174, so a dollar profit. Not so much, right? So overall, I think I made a good decision to stick with my Spy and not going into Moderna. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please leave me a like, share the video with your friends, subscribe to the channel. This would help me a lot, and it will make me motivated to do more and to do better. So we'll talk tomorrow, guys. Have a